Hello Pythoners, this is my new video in the Python Auto Guide series. Today we will learn useful keyboard control function in Python Auto Guide. Cool! As a beginning, let's create a new project. Don't forget to import at first. The first function we're learning is write. Simply type something. If we run that, what will happen? You see nothing. Why? Think, we have to select where you write, right? Back to coding. Remember the mouse control function? That's a video I made before. If you haven't seen that video, you should click the link to watch. Look, hello world, here it comes. Sometimes you need your project to auto-type something, then this function is useful. But it's too fast, maybe slower. Type interval in our scripts is equals to 1. That means it delays 1 second after each character. It works. Look at the test. Like what I say, a delay after each character. What about pressing the enter key? Definitely we can't do that with the write function. But not only one function, here use the press function. Yes, type enter writes as you think. Let's give it a try. In enter in the end. Good. Make scripts easier to read. That's an important thing, so let's do it. To press multiple keys similar to what write does, pass a list of strings to press. As you see, pass a list here. Then test simply, it probably works perfectly. Look at these scripts. What do you think? A little messy, right? To fix that, with Python Auto Guide, hold Shift. Python Auto Guide, press. Left, presses equals to 3. Sorry, not 2. Press Shift key, then 3 left, press Shift again. Well done. The most exciting part, which you're all waiting for, is coming: hacking games with these functions. You might remember the wait function game, right? As an example, we had this one first. In the game, hold down A to the door. We can see a tip. It means you should hold down space. Let's start a project to do that with auto function. The first move to means click the green flag. We click it, then look. Here's a play button. We have to click it right. So the second move to function is to move to this button and click. We can type our name here. Our scratchy goes left. See, here's a space button. Now we have to click space. I didn't touch my keyboard while running the project. Yes, isn't it amazing? Guys, that's all of our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye, wait for the next video.